Yeah.
Hey you! As you would have seen in the intro, today we're making Korean egg bread or gyeran-ppang. Now, gyeran-ppang is a delicious Korean street food that uses a batter that's very similar to pancake batter to make something in form of a loaf. Now, the most attractive part of this street food is that there is an egg, a whole egg that is just broken and baked as is. So when you cut it, you see the egg in the middle. Now there are many different variations to this street food. As you will see, mine has beef floss, mine has cheese, mine has an egg. An egg is actually the most important part. I do not think your gyerang-ppang will be gyerang-ppang without an egg. Now the egg could either be placed in the middle or at the top. I put mine in the middle alongside the beef floss. Actually, mine is chicken floss actually, and it is actually a northern delicacy in my country, Nigeria. One wouldn't really know about it unless you actually know about it. But it's called Dambu normal. So it's basically cooked and seasoned meat that is shredded and then fried. So it has a texture very similar to cotton candy, but it's thicker than cotton candy. It's not as delicate, but it still has this very similar melt in your mouth situation, and it is really 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 good and really savory. So it has a way of cutting through the sweetness of this dish, which is why I actually really like putting it. You could also top with some bacon. You'll see that in my ingredients I actually listed some bacon there. That is what my the person I tried it with did. She put bacon. You could also put sausages or whatever and just have fun with it. Here I'm just putting the egg, the meat, the beef floss, and some just pieces of melting cheese. So cheddar, mozzarella, your wish. Okay, do I just ignore the weird hand movements right now? Yeah, you can tell that I was really happy, with it coming out and looking beautiful. Yeah, so here I'm just cutting it and just showing you guys the cross section, and it came out actually really, really delicious. Now, would I change anything with the initial recipe? Yes, I would actually reduce the sugar because for me it came out a little bit too sweet. So I couldn't eat a lot of it at a time. I don't know if people are like me and don't have that kind of situation. I couldn't eat a lot at a time. But if I reduced the sugar, I think it would have been much easier for me to eat. So if you reduce the sugar to about like 40 grams or 60 grams, I think it would be much better. Or if you really like it sweet, you could go for the initial recipe. So here I'm showing you guys the beautiful cross section. It looks really good. And yeah, that's all guys. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Please go check my other videos and I'll see you next time. Bye.